Hey, what's going on, my bodyweight savages? It's your boy Greg B, and in today's video we're doing something a little bit unorthodox. We're gonna be talking about how to get a physique like a boxer. All right, you know, like the greatest Muhammad Ali, Tyson, Evander Holyfield.
What happened here?
He got bit, I think. That was awkward, but you guys get it. We're gonna be looking into that today. So if you're interested on how to get a ripped body like the greatest boxers of all time, then you're gonna wanna watch this video. All right, you guys, so the first thing I want to start off by saying is the best #1 tip that I have for you guys who are looking to get a boxing physique is to actually start boxing. There's no substitute to actually fighting and boxing and putting in that type of training, all right? But again, I'm not a professional boxer, disclaimer here. I'm not a professional fighter. What I'm gonna teach you in this video is gonna teach you how to get the physique like a fighter, not how to actually go out there and kick some ass. So if you have, you know, a bully that you wanna get revenge on, or you wanna show that you can fight somebody, don't take this advice, because this is only gonna have you looking like a boxer, not actually fighting like one, all right? Most boxers truly don't look to gain a really aesthetic look. What they look for is speed. So they'd only work out certain type of muscles if they want to get more punching power or more speed. Too much muscle actually slows them down, so they're only looking for the speed factor. All right, you guys, so the first type of exercise that we have in this workout is to jump rope for 3 rounds. That's gonna be about 10 to 15 minutes. So let's say we wanna do it for 12 minutes. I'll be 4-minute rounds, taking a 45-second rest and repeating that 3 times, all right? This is obviously a full body workout, which helps develop our lower leg explosiveness. And for the boxer, it builds stamina and endurance for those late rounds. All right, so the next type of exercise that we're gonna be doing is weighted throws. You're gonna wanna grab weights between 3 to 5 pounds. Don't overdo it. You don't wanna hurt your shoulder or anything like that. So what we're gonna be focusing on here is just reps, guys. First thing I wanna point out is form, guys. You wanna bend the knees at all times, all right? Stand with your left foot forward if you're right-handed and your back foot pointed towards 4 o'clock, keeping most of your weight over that front foot. You're gonna wanna keep your hands up as well while you're punching these throws. I do a kind of a poor job, but try to do better than me, all right? The max dumbbell weight should be 5 pounds and 10 to 15 again if you're a beginner. Now, for one full set, that's 10 to 15 straight throws out and 10 to 15 straight throws up. Focus on turning over the hands at the end of the punch, guys. By adding weight, you are improving your hand speed, and that results in leaner, stronger punching arm muscles, all right? This is a great workout. I love to do this, and I think you should too. So following that, guys, what we're gonna be doing is boxer push-ups. Now, these type of push-ups are gonna help strengthen our wrist and our fist power, all right? All right, guys, so you wanna get in the proper push-up plank position, and you wanna close your fist and have your thumb over your knuckles. You do not wanna have your thumb inside. So you go down, halfway up, and down, and up, and that's 1. Again, go down, halfway up, down, and up for 2. All right, guys, now bust these out, 8 to 15. Let's get these reps and these gains, boys. So now it's time for us to start shadow boxing, but we're gonna mix it up a little bit. We're gonna add 3 or to 5 pounds that we had earlier, and we're gonna be using them as our little weights. We're gonna throw our uppercuts, our hooks, and our jabs, our right striking hands. We're gonna be throwing all these type of punches with the weights in our hand for about 3 rounds. So that's another 10 to 15 minutes. All right, you guys, so while you're doing these 3 rounds, you're not gonna really wanna go all out and focus on power punches, okay? What you wanna focus on is throwing your hands nicely and lightly, focusing on speed, turning the hands over at the end of every punch, all right? So try to keep your hands up as well and get to work. All right, you guys, so to finish off this workout, what we have is an ab workout. We're gonna be killing our abs now, and what I have for us today is 4 exercises, 45 seconds each. Now, you might wanna mix it up and do your own favorite ab exercise that you know which causes the most pain and the most gain for you. Choose whatever ab exercises that you wanna do, but I picked out 4 for us here, and we're gonna be doing them for 45 seconds each with minimal rest. So let's go. So for my first exercise, I chose to just do flutter kicks, okay? Start with your legs straight up, simple kick up and down. I like to tap on my abs to make sure that I'm activating and contracting my abs. Now, you're gonna pick 4 exercises and you're gonna repeat them 3 times, okay? The next one I did here was the reverse crunch leg lifts. Now, these ones are great for targeting your lower abs as well as your upper abs. I like to keep my hands out on the floor to help with that positioning. Next up, I think we've all done this before, the Russian twist. This is great for targeting the obliques, the side of the core there, where, you know, a lot of the physique is made up right there. To finish it off, I chose to do scissor kicks, okay? Scissor kicks are another great lower ab exercise. Again, you could tap on your abs and make sure that you are using them, all right? All right. Now, I know I said that we were finished. To finish it all off, if you truly want the aesthetics of a boxer, then you gotta go beyond what most people are willing to do. So, finish it all off with 2 more rounds of jump rope, guys, all right? That's about 10 minutes right there of jump rope. All right, you guys, so quick recap. While you guys are doing your last 2 rounds of jump rope, here's the whole spread of the workout, just an hour long to get you shredded. Now, if you stick to this workout regimen, then you're most likely gonna get a boxer's physique. Now, like I said before, I'm not a professional boxer. I'm not teaching you how to fight, so do not use this knowledge to go out there and punch people in the face, all right? This is only gonna get you that boxer aesthetic and physique, all right? I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some value out of it. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, and I welcome you guys to subscribe to the tribe so you get more videos just like this. All right, guys, until next time, don't be average, be savage.